morning everyone. Today we're starting off with a pretty rainy day. And the birdies lost us. Teep teep! Run, 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 run! Run, 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 run! I took them out so they can also come for a walk. Oh, you're the cutest. Okay, sit down here, okay, and wait. I made potatoes. I have some crackers for the goats. Chickens and goats are eating potatoes, so that was easy this morning. Not easy is gonna be getting in.
Look who joined us for the inside. They just came through the fence, like no problem at all.
This one is done.
Baba! They got so scared.
Okay. So this is for the goats. I put it here. Fuck it. Come. Girls. Eat it.
Lima doesn't want it.
None of them wants them because they eat crackers.
They're tastier.
If there's no choice, I think they will eat it.
Yeah, we just have to leave fast. You should have gave crackers last.
Yeah, but they ripped it out of my hands. Girls, you gotta eat it. There's no more anything else.
Baba, she's sleeping. She's sleeping between my legs. I'm comfy here.
Okay.
You comfy? Yeah? They feel so safe with the mommy, don't they? Baba, both of them are sleeping now. Just eating grass and sleeping and tickling me. Come, come, come.
Let's go. What? You stopped.
It's like too far.
She's always getting left behind. Where is she? Yeah, I was the last one. So like one with daddy, one with mommy. Where are you? You disappeared.
Yeah, I didn't get anything.
You see, you understand me now?
Huh?
You understand me now that I yesterday I could not get anything?
Yeah.
There's a big cloud coming again. I think that's coming. That's not nice. What did you destroy?
Huh?
What the?
You check me for bugs because I walked through all the...
Okay, Teeps, let's go. Let's go feed our other kid. Let's go. Faster! 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 Okay.
Because they're looking like hypnotized.
Baba, don't tease them! Don't tease them! They're gonna break our fence. Yum yum yum. Go 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 go! Go 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 go! Oh, they're running. Whoop! Is this slippery now? Let's go.
Do you have like a shitty leg towel or something?
Oh, you're getting so good at this, you know that?
So despite the beautiful weather outside where we could just relax and play games all day in the computers, we have to keep working. So this is the before and this is after. Looks good, no?
Yeah.
So we have to attach it now and let's start building our ceiling. Actually, it was not breaking. This is why they invented hammers. How amazing is this wood? And it was all hiding behind a big layer of black. So you would never even see the beauty of this and you would probably throw it away if you've seen it. But that's what happens after how long? Hundreds of years of wood just being burnt by the stove slowly, slowly, slowly.
Look how amazing it looks.
The problem is that I don't have enough of these woods for the bedroom. So my solution is to steal one from the living room.
Because we don't need it now.
here we're probably gonna do it the other way because we do not have any more of these for the kitchen or for anywhere else. There's like only some of these on here. You can see it's been replaced over the years because you know these rot away. So I'm stealing them and putting them there because there they will look beautiful and here they have no purpose.
At the moment as well, yeah. And I thought we were done with all this dirty job.
Never done with dirty jobs. My favorite jobs.
Did it come off?
Came off.
Is that enough?
Hopefully. Hopefully it's enough. It doesn't even fit.
Too small? Too big?
Too big. This room we're doing a bit different. Instead of putting the wood like we did on the top, because we're mostly trying to hide the ugly woods that we're putting there, we have all these beautiful woods we're gonna put down at the bottom and the ceiling goes on top of it. Also makes it safer. If you step on it, it puts the pressure on this instead of puts the pressure on each of the screws that's holding it up. It's gonna be holding it down. Much better. Now I need Desmond's help to put it on. Sorry.
Yeah, the cable. How did you do that? How was that smart?
Still work, I wonder? Oh yeah, it does. This is LED. Right here.
My level.
I don't like that you need it. Seems like we'll look behind the scenes. What is in that word? Jesus.
Wrong with my level. Nothing is working with his level. A bit higher now.
Now I'm putting in the screws, the bigger screws that I have put like there. Yeah, that's what I'm pretty much doing. I'm just making them
Drilling holes. So red. What I will do now is I'm gonna wash all the dishes, clean up the sink, because we need to take a bath. Because you know it's cold outside and we don't want to bring the big bath in and the water is cold. So we need to make a bath in here for the little duckies to swim. I'm gonna let the bath
let the bath fill up slowly.
Reinforce all of that mess because David filled up the water too high and that means that the water started leaking from everywhere. So I reinforce the bottom, the side, everything. Put new hay, some grass. We need to fill up water and food. But yeah, and that's how we waste water. You wanna come in?
Put them in already.
That's nice.
Put them in. Don't fill it up too much.
Woo!
Oh, that's not even enough to swim.
Yes, they grow up so fucking fast. Yes.
I'm pretty sure they were able to swim that little, no? Just be careful because they can jump off and...
They grew up so much. In 2 days they grew up already so much. Aww. Okay.
Ding ding.
Go.
Okay, you gonna babysit them?
Yeah, I want them to dive though.
Yeah, it's too shallow, I don't know.
But they're scared of it.
Leave a little bit on, like a little bit to leak.
Oh my god, she cannot. Oh! She tickled it. Keep going. Swim. She cannot dive. She's the biggest diver. Try a bit. Yes. Oh, she doesn't have enough to go down.
There's nothing to do.
She doesn't have
the bottom.
Look at her head.
She loves to dive.
Now we need to get it all nice and dry. But they were so they actually dived down, and this one made the 2 circles in there. But they needed my push to go down, and then she did the circles. So now you need to get all dry before you get in your boxy. Don't poop. I put them to warm up with a bit of a blanket till I organize everything, cause
They enjoy a blanket.
It's yawning. Cause David made everything wet, so I was doing wet. Did you dry everywhere? Did you dry everywhere? The belly still a bit wet, but it's warm. Okay. Don't shake like crazy. You don't even make the effort to get up, right? That's how comfy you are. Up.
So,
Very nice, I like it.
we didn't show much of the process, but we have done that before.
Yeah, and we are kind of in a rush.
Yeah, it's a bit of a rush. It's not many days left. It's a week left. And I need
We need to finish all the other ones. And do floor, and lock everything.
work a bit of overtime to finish this.
Hmm.
Still haven't done any electrical, because I do that after the ceiling is on. Because I wire it through the ceiling. So, there's a lot still to do.
The birds are screaming.
And not much time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Let's see what we do tomorrow. How far we get.
Yeah.
Hopefully I finish the ceiling at least halfway.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna go also to the city. So.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna have so many hours.
Yeah. Let's see.
Bye.
Oh, it's super dark here.
Look how cool the light is.